Hello guys. For today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how to replace an LCD for this particular laptop model. First, you have to remove the screw cover below. There is a 2 pieces screw there. Please provide necessary tools when disassembling your laptop LCD, just like in the video. Starting by removing the screw cover. Here you can see, then followed by removing the screw itself. After removing the 2 small screws, we are now begin to remove also the LCD plastic cover. Begin pulling the plastic starting from left side. As you can see in the video, I am very slowly pulling it, slowly but surely. It is a very thin plastic, so be very careful not to break it. Slowly pulling it. Then at the top, as what you did in the left side, also do it in the upper side, slowly but surely, and with extra careful. Now at the bottom, you can use it with your own bare hand to remove. As you can see, it's almost there. And of course, at the bottom, you have to pull it up to completely remove the cover. Finally, the cover is removed. So let's now begin the removal of the LCD screen itself. Before removing the LCD screen, make sure you use hairspray, hot air spray, because it has a sticky substance between the plastic, between the LCD and the LCD hinge. As you can see in the video, I use it on the top of the laptop where the LCD is located, to soften the sticky portion of the LCD and the LCD hinge. Repeat itself as the glue itself is easily removed. slowly, by pulling it, you can separate the LCD screen from the LCD hinges. And now, as you can see, after all the process, I will remove the LCD screen very easy, because the sticky part has melted away. There you go. And the last part, as you can see, the pin connector, you have to remove it. When you purchase an LCD screen, you have to choose the right connector from your old LCD screen. That particular model is 30 pin. So I will purchase a 30 pin LCD. An LCD with 30 pin connector rather. There you go. That was an